Hi everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today is trash day, so I have a lot of empties I want to go through with you today and talk to you a little bit about my thoughts on each of the products, let you know what I've repurchased, what I want to repurchase, or what I'll never buy again. But before we start that, I want to show you, the other day, yesterday actually, I saw on Reagan Hart's channel that Sephora has a clean beauty makeup box. She reviewed it, so I went right out and picked it up. So I wanted to let you know that not only do they have clean beauty makeup boxes, they also have one for skincare and hair care, and they have one for fragrances as well. So, you know, if you're next time you're in your neighborhood Sephora, check out the box. This one was $28, and the reason I wanted this is because it has three things in it that I really wanted. Quickly, I will just share that it has three samples from the Ilia new serum foundation that I've been wanting to try, and two of these looks like they might be my shade. It also has, here's what it looks like on the inside, the primer from Ilia, as well as, this is what I really wanted, the mascara, oh that's it, right here, the mascara from Ilia Beauty as well. So there's three items from Ilia Beauty in here, so for me, that was plenty, you know, that was enough for me to want it. It also has something from Josie Maran, an RMS lipstick, a Bite Beauty lipstick, and powder from Lawless. And this powder is probably the only thing that I definitely won't use. The first ingredient is cornstarch, so no, and also that's really a cheap ingredient, so hopefully this powder doesn't cost very much. If you want to see quick swatches of the two lipsticks so that you get an idea what they look like, okay, so the first one here is from, that's the RMS shade, and then the second one is the Bite Beauty shade. This is a bright, bright pink, and this is, the color is, actually it's a multi-stick, and the color is called Cashew, so that's much more of a neutral, browny neutral shade. So, all right, that's enough about that. Also, while I was there, I said it was enough. I've used my points to pick up this mask. It's a hydrating mask from Ren Cosmetics. And Ren is one of those companies that has been around since the beginning of quote-unquote green beauty. And I've never tried anything from them. So I grabbed this with my extra points so that I could give it a try. First thing that I want to take out of here is skincare. This is from Michelle. This is their Gentle Cleansing Wash. This is supposedly for, well, supposedly, this is for people with more sensitive skin. I used this last night. I used it again today. Love it! Love it, love it, love it. It took off my makeup last night, although I didn't have very much on. And it just leaves, I love the way it leaves your skin. It's kind of a creamy cleanser. Leaves your skin feeling really clean, but also moisturized. Like it leaves a little bit of a sort of a layer of moisturization behind. So I don't really talk about Michelle on this channel, and I don't know why, because when I first switched all my things over to greener, cleaner products, their facial sunscreen was the first product that I ever bought. Since then they've reformulated it, so I haven't tried it obviously in quite a while, years, but yeah, Michelle is a great company. They make great products. At least that one, this cleanser, is on my to buy list. Okay, what do we have here? From Davita, we have their Solar Protective Moisturizer and the Perfecting Time Daytime Moisturizer as well. These are repeat buys. I buy them all the time. I have more. What can I say? From Herbivore Botanicals, this was their mist in the rose, and I love this company. In fact, at Sephora, I saw that they have a new serum with a plant-based, it's not a retinol, but it does the same thing as a retinol, and it's called bakuchiol, and it's really taking the green beauty world by storm because it doesn't have any of the negative side effects of, you know, the negative properties of retinol. Indeed, I think that this bakuchiol is also safe for pregnant women to use. But more on that later because I'm so picking up that serum the next time I'm in there. All right, yeah, so this was the mist. This was their Rose Hydrating Mist. Love it. One of my favorite mists. Oh, the Luna Mask from, I recently did a video on this, from Natural Logic. Lovely mask, very potent and soothing and anti-aging. It's got grapes, resveratrol, and cocoa, you know, like cacao powder in it. So, lovely mask. This is the serum from Graydon Skincare. This was their superfood serum. Loved it. It's more like an oil, actually, a very lightweight oil, and it was wonderful. I thoroughly enjoyed using it, and of course I've got like 10 oil serums, not that many, but I have a lot right now that are open, but this would definitely be on a possibly repurchase again if I ever run out of an oil serum list, because I really like this. And I can recommend it if you're interested in anything from Graydon. Body lotion from Andalou Naturals. This one is their rose scented. This is a repeat buy. I just jump around from one fragrance to the other, but it's a great, affordable, moisturizing body lotion. Okay, this is from Little Barn Apothecary. It's their honeysuckle and grapefruit body oil. This has a lovely scent to it, and I used it up like lickety-split. Yeah, it's very clean, lightweight. Little Barn Apothecary is, goodness, I think they're available at somewhere like Target or something. I don't know. I'll find out. But yeah, they make really lovely products, and I highly recommend this body oil, especially if you want something that's reasonably affordable. This is from Flourish. This is their Honey Blossom Marshmallow Root Fragrance Body Lotion. I love Flourish. I love all their products. And this bottle, this beautiful glass bottle, I'm going to rinse this out, take this off, take the label off, and use this as a flower vase, because this bottle, their bottles are just gorgeous. So I will be upcycling this bottle. And on that same subject, this is from kombucha. This is from Health Aid. This is their kombucha bottle. It's a beautiful amber bottle, and this cap is a universal cap. So if you have something like a screw-on squeeze, like misting type bottle, like a cleaning bottle or something, it'll fit on this cap. This happens to be, to prove the point, this came off of, because I lost the cap on here naturally. This came from a recycled bottle of witch hazel. But as you'll notice, it totally fits on here. So this is great for DIYs. In fact, I'm going to DIY this into a mouthwash and keep this on my bathroom counter, because it's a beautiful bottle. But cleaning products, you can like stick a little label on there and put one of those. They have them at Amazon, but recycle some spray bottle, sprayer that you already have, and you can put cleaning products in here, and or bath oil, bath soaps, for example. Like you want to pour some Castile soap and maybe mix it with like an essential oil and something hydrating. You can do that and turn it into a bath, like in your bathtub. Then you can and it's beautiful. So yeah, this is kombucha, Health Aid, upcycling this. Oh, and this is just my favorite hibiscus tea. This is from Traditional Medicinals. This is so refreshing and so lovely. I have another one, especially now in the summertime. This is a really good. Traditional Medicinals makes tons of varieties of teas, and everyone that I've tried has been really great. And their tea bags are biodegradable. So yeah, this is fair trade. It's sustainably harvested. It's non-GMO, all that good stuff. And in the same vein, this was a bar soap. This is the Fiji Pineapple Coconut Soap. Used it up, love it. It's a repeat purchase. Okay, I'm going to get these last few beauty items out of the way. So this is from Pacifica. This is one of their nail polish. It's separated. I never liked the way it performed. It would bubble up on my fingernails. So I have others that I like better, so bye. From Andalou, this was their Scalp Intensive Hair Serum. This has been reformulated, and I don't think I can use it anymore because I see ingredients in there that are likely corn derived. I will double check on that, but I did enjoy using this, and it's really nice because it's a serum, so you can put it in your hair when it's wet and it doesn't weigh the hair down. Scalp serum. So yeah, and this has lots of herbs and really, you know, like good nourishing things for the scalp in it. From Lily Lolo mascara, yes, this is like one of my top 2 mascaras. Yeah, the other, yeah. And of course I will buy it again. It's affordable too, but it gives you, if you want drama, lots of length, this will give it to you. From Alima Pure, I used up my foundation, my satin matte foundation. So yeah, and in fact, I think they have a foundation sale going on right now. If they do, I'll buy another one. But yeah, this is Warm 5 is my shade. The finish is just that satin matte. In fact, it's what I'm wearing today. Gives you great coverage, stays put, and great, really, really, really clean. This was the Fortifying Face Balm from Ursa Major. There really wasn't enough of this in here for me to get a good idea of what this product was like. This is like, they say that this lotion is a hydrator, a healer, and an anti-ager in one. So it keeps your skin looking younger for longer. At least that's what it says on here. Like I said, there wasn't enough of it in here for me to really know one way or the other, and I probably should have just tossed it instead of telling you about it. But there you go. From Savor Beauty, this was the Pumpkin Renew Serum. Beautiful oil, really expensive, but you can tell. That's all I can tell. It's very active. The ingredients are very active. You can tell that they're doing something. And yeah, I loved using this serum. All right, the remainder is just a few supplements, so I'll go through them really quickly. This is the magnesium citrate. Must take this to make sure make sure my magnesium levels are where they should be, because this combined with vitamin D is how you ensure that your bones are nice and strong. It also helps you sleep in the evening, especially if you're low in magnesium. So yeah, never without that. This B50 complex, I am out of this right now because when I went to Pharmaca or Vitacost to buy it again, I bought the wrong one. And the one that I bought has corn-derived vitamin C in it. Although they swear that there's nothing left of the corn protein in in their supplement. But eventually I'll get another one of these, and I'll probably just give that one to a friend. Yeah, never without my Superior Source B12, or just B12 in general. This is one that in fact, when I always have an extra bottle because I never want to run out of this. Sublingual, I take it in the morning, first thing when I get up. And of course, vitamin D3. Is that it? Oh, and last but not least, the vitamin C that I do take, and this is sourced from tapioca, and this is from Ecological Formulas, C1000 every single day. It keeps my immune system behaving the way that it's supposed to instead of being so hypervigilant. And that is going to wrap it up for today. So everyone, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my content, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss my next video. And until I see you again in my next video, I'm wishing you all a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye! Oh yeah, almost forgot. Yeah, I cut my hair. 3 inches. So, woohoo! And it's getting thick, too. But more on that later. Okay, bye.